Hey everyone, hey, welcome back. strongfencing.co.nz. We're looking at this gate mounting plate for a sliding gate motor, and I thought I'd do a quick video for people that are installing these in pavers. Pavers can be a bit of a pain in the butt because you have to actually cut out a hole the size of the plate and then put the mounting plate down inside of it. So that's what I'm going to do here. I've already run my cable. That's my power cable, and that's going to run sideways into this hole and come up through the center. And always run your cables directly sideways. You don't want to come in on this 45-degree angle because you're going to end up with an obstruction. And when you normally mount these in concrete, you might end up dynabolting this bolt into the concrete, and you don't want to putting a concrete bolt in. You definitely don't want to drive the drill through the cable. But on this instance, my cables come in from the side and it's going to come up through the center. So I'm just going to fill this hole with concrete, and then I'm just going to press this down inside, and as you can see, the plate pretty much covers the entire area. You won't even see the concrete, and then the motor overhangs a little bit too, so that'll actually make it look nice and tidy, like it's been mounted down to pavers, but it hasn't. I've actually going to pour concrete inside this hole. So I've gone down about 300 with this hole, and I'll mix up the concrete, fast setting concrete, and then I'll just put my plate, push it down inside of the concrete, and that'll be ready to go. Cool, hope that helps. For those of you installing sliding gates into pavers, it can be a little bit of a mission, but that's what you need to do. How I worked out the location of this plate is you have to work out what your the face of your gate in relation to the inside of your post. So I already know, I've done a bunch of calculations, that my face of my gate is going to be 65 millimeters in, and then I'm able to then work out where is the best position for this plate. The plate obviously sits directly under the motor, so you have to allow for the rack to go on. So I've scientifically worked out that when my rack sits on here, it sits at about 75 mils from the face of this. So I've just come back, instead of going 65 mils, I've actually come 75 mils. I've come in an extra little piece. So that's a critical calculation, but with these motors you do have a little bit of play. You can see this this slotted, that's where the bolts come out. Well, that allows you to have 20 mils sliding each way. Obviously you want to get it in the perfect position, but even if you don't, you still have 20 mils play down the bottom when you go to bolt down the motor. This gate here is actually a telescopic gate. I don't know, I might have done another video for it. That's the gate over there, but this motor will be mounted to the inside of the gate, and there's actually a tail that sticks out for the telescopic gate that sticks out 500 past this post. So I've just pretty much put that dead in the centers. So yeah, hope that's helpful for some people out there who are installing sliding gate motors for telescopic gates or sliding gates in a situation where you've got pavers. Cool, have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Really appreciate people supporting these videos, and I hope I can actually get my face at some point and do some really good high quality content, but really keen to grow things on the channel. Okay, cool, have a great day, bye.